And Mark Kagiwa, nagkamali siya doon. Yan sasabi natin, learning experience. Dito niya natututunan what a championship game is all about. Is Mark Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa, lumapit na konti, hindi kinaliwa. Meron ka pala noon, hindi ko alam.
Iba talaga. Etong si Mark Kagiwa.
His match up against Sigel. Wala siyang magagawa habang tinitignan natin ang highlight na ito. Brought to you by...
Komportable ito si Mark Kagiwa. You have to start him para maiba yung kwento.
Most spectacular shot pero 0. Limpot, Kagiwa. Andun yung double team. Diyan namatay si Mark Kagiwa in game number 1. May point ka na siya. Tignan muna natin si Kagiwa kung gaano kahirap ang buhay niya para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ayan, nakikita ninyo ang ating slow motion kung gaano ka-miserable ang buhay ni Mark Kagiwa. That's slow.
Fans niya, ano?
Nako, sobra, nakakagulat. Nako!
Banda?
And that spectacular long distance shot was brought to you by PLDT and
Itong barangay, itong San Miguel, parang cool na cool. Ayan pa, isang cool na cool.
Maganda ito, maipasok niya yung kanyang unang tira. Ito yung two-way player na Mark Kagiwa.
Ay, yung bola-bola.
Yung kanyang timing, huling-huli. And ito pong inyong nakikita sequence brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you could say it, text it for free activation call 171.
Airs.
They reverse the ball. Kagiwa is open for a 3-point shot. And that PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you of course by our friends from PLDT. Mark Kagiwa. Naku, pass na pa shot, binigay kay Sigel. 3-point shot, naku, nabawi agad.
And that's
Kagiwa has it. Pupukas si Kagiwa. And 7 straight points. At yung bang inyo nakita was another super nung wala sila in game number 1. Sigel is open for his 5th shot from long distance and brought to you by PLDT. Open Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa nasa 3-point land. Inside to Jun Limpot. Excellent! At 2-point lead para San Miguel. Ildefonso. Kagiwa for the rebound. Elderbrand in a foot race against Boybits. Bibigay kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa will lay this in. And Kagiwa sparked Ginebra.
I was about to say, yung mga refs allowing some contact there.
Kagiwa. Yung isang nakikita natin na hindi nalalaman ng maraming explosiveness. First step, ayun yung first step. And he is gone. And he has 11 points. And slow-mo brought to you by PLDT.
Grassroots level.
Right, yan ang kailangan natin. Well, Toti, good luck to you and to your program.
Thank you very much.
Ni Sigel, di makalusot. Maganda depensa.
Pinwersa ni Sigel, but still able to... Grabe to, coaching.
Oo, maganda na depensa.
Danny Sigel, open is Kagiwa. He'll take this one. Mainit, mainit, mainit ang kamay ng bata.
Grabe ang quickness nito.
Nasasabi natin, already has 18 points. Kasi simula pa lang ng ating third quarter.
Isang 17 points, pwedeng maging 18.
And that's just 2 points shy.
Hindi ako nag-beach, nasusunog talaga ako.
Meron naman siyang bagong open is Mark Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa, lumapit na konti, hindi kinaliwa. Meron ka pala noon, hindi ko alam.
Iba talaga. Etong si Mark Kagiwa, parang ano to kung kumilos to, parang veterano, pero alam natin, first year play.
2 in a row para sa Barangay Ginebra. Ang ganda ng pasa, touch passing, Sigel. Sinakyan ni Kagiwa. And that was a wise foul. You don't allow layups in a championship game. Much more an opportunity for a 3-point play.
Tama.
Isang kaibigan natin na naging bahagi, naging haligi ng watching right now.
Oo.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Senador.
Yes,
At wala nang bababa sa depensa. Mukhang si Jun Limpot is tired. He has practically played this entire ball game. And Mark Kagiwa, nagkamali siya doon. Yan sasabi natin, learning experience. Match up against Sigel. Wala siyang magagawa habang tinitignan natin ang highlight na ito. Brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can say it, text it for free activation call 171.
Ang Barangay Ginebra, yung makalayo ang San Miguel. Meron na silang, naging 12-point sa bench ngayon. Kanina pa, actually, matagal na.
Kagiwa against sa triple team. Hindi pwede, bro. Hindi mo pwede subukan yan. Yan ang sinasabi natin dito.
Pero kung tutuusin, marami nang natutunan ito si Mark Kagiwa. Ayan pa.
Binawi naman niya.
Ayan pa.
Anong sabi mo, Kamo?
Oo, marami na siyang natutunan dito. Hindi pa to 100%.
Sigel is open. Ang challenge. Ang sama ng rotation na iwan si Baldavid sa ibabaw. The number 1 round. Kagiwa, pumubukol pa rin. And he ups his... Ewan ko kung anong klaseng drawing board ang babalikan itong kupunan ng Ginebra.
Ayun, tumripoys na rin si Alex Crisano. Wala
Sabi
pa.
niya, subukan na natin lahat. And Calpit.
Ako sa Amerika, sabi mo, hanapin ko yung batang yun. Ano?
Pero
eh,
ako,
ayaw umuwi nun eh.
hindi, ayaw niya
Ayaw
dahil
umuwi nun eh. Pinapauwi ko na rito.